Syllabus. Syllabus for CBSE students, 7th standard, for science subject. Contents. First chapter, nutrition in plants. Modes of nutrition. Plants also synthesize proteins and fats. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Replenishment of nutrients in the soil. Photosynthesis. Special mode of nutrition. Second chapter, nutrition in animals. Different steps in the process of nutrition. Modes of procuring food. Nutrition in amoeba. Digestion in humans. Nutrition in ruminants. Third chapter, fiber to fabric. Animal fibers, rearing and breeding of sheep, silk, wool, processing fibers into wool, rearing of silkworms. Fourth, heat and its effects. Effects of heat, hot and cold, thermometer, transfer of heat. Heat causes expansion, temperature, types of thermometer, thermoplast. 5. Acids, bases, and salts. Acids, neutral substances, properties of acids, neutralization reaction, reaction of acid and base, neutralization in everyday life, bases, indicators, properties of bases. 6. Physical changes, rusting of iron, chemical changes, crystallization. 7th, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. Weather, elements of the weather, factors determining climate. The sun causes changes in the weather, climate and adaptations. 8th chapter, winds, storms and cyclones. Air around us, high-speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Wind currents are generated due to uneven heating of the earth, thunderstorms, tornado, cyclone. 9th chapter, soil. Formation of soil, soil profile, properties of soil, composition of soil, types of soils, soil and crops. 10. Respiration in organisms. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration, external respiration, breathing, respiration in other animals, respiration in plants. 11th. Transportation in animals and plants. Transport in humans, circulatory system, blood circulation in human body, excretion in animals, excretory systems in humans, heartbeat, excretion in humans, transport of substances in plants. 12th chapter, reproduction in plants. Parts of flowering plant, males of reproduction in plants, asexual reproduction in plants, unisexual and bisexual flowers, mechanism of sexual reproduction, pollination, formation of seeds and fruits, germination of seeds, flower, fertilization, dispersal of seeds. 13. Time and motion. Measurement of time in ancient times, unit of time, speed, uniform and non-uniform motion, measurement of time, motion, numerical problems based on speed. 14. Electric current and its effects. Symbols for electrical components, electrical cell, electric circuit, resistance, heating effects of electric current, magnetic effect of electric current, electromagnet, electric battery, circuit diagram, effects of electric current, electric bulb. 15. Light. Light travels in straight line, real and virtual images, characteristics of images formed by plane mirror, spherical mirrors. White light is composed of many colors, reflection of light, spherical lenses. 16. Water, a precious natural resource. Use of water, forms of water, groundwater and groundwater as an important source of water, depletion of water table, effects of water scarcity, availability of water in nature, where do we get water from, water management. 17. Forests, our lifeline. The structure of a forest, interdependence of plants and animals in forest, food chain, deforestation, afforestation, importance of forests, food web, conservation of forests. 18. Wastewater storing, sewage, harmful effects of sewage, wastewater treatment plant, WWTP, better housekeeping practices, alternative arrangement of for sewage disposal, sanitation at public places, containers present in sewage, sanitation and diseases. These are the 18 chapters, 7th class CBSE syllabus.